Ice cream that's delicious, easy to make and healthy. Here are 4 homemade ice cream recipes to satisfy your sweet tooth without the added calories. Almond milk is a great base. Pour some almond milk into a blender. Add a little almond butter for creaminess, some jaggery powder, although you can use whatever sweetener you like, and some delicious fresh strawberries. If yours are sweet, you can adjust the amount of jaggery you add as well. Now blitz all of this together to make an almond shake, which while awesome on its own, can be poured into ice cube trays and frozen for a few hours. Then you'll get these lovely ices that you can grind to get a gorgeous silky ice cream. But remember to work fast because these can melt quickly. So, to make this healthy chocolate banana ice cream, we'll peel 3 bananas and put them in the freezer for at least 6 hours or overnight. Remember, the more ripe your bananas are, the sweeter the ice cream will be. So choose ripe bananas. Once they're frozen, you can add some rich cocoa powder, a couple of tablespoons of peanut butter, either organic or regular, pinch of salt, and some chocolate chips for a bit of intensity. Blend all of this together. Make sure your blender is a sturdy one. Then serve it up fresh. For a super simple version with only 3 ingredients, we'll start again with bananas that we have frozen, then some peanut butter and a handful of walnuts. Grind these up and you've got gorgeous banana peanut butter ice cream. Our last recipe is a spoonful of peppy goodness. Start with some almond milk. You can also buy flavored almond milk, which will contain flavoring as well as sweetener, to which we'll add some almond butter, then some jaggery, pinch of salt, a little vanilla essence, and finally a couple of spoons of instant coffee. You can also add espresso if you like. Blitz it and add the mixture to ice cube trays to set. Once set, you can transfer it to a blender and blend it to a creamy consistency. Change up the flavors and make this your own. Hope you like these easy and delicious healthy alternatives to traditional ice cream. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.